witu ni ndamwihoya kuria guothe muri tafadhali mutigacoke kuingira uteti-ini mutai na kiama na mutai na negotiation nigetha muhote gutwara mateta manyu mu kindu kimwe ku impeach Gachagua is it a way to distract Kenyans from the real issues tondu ni ndikuona kuhitania kwa president na Gachagua kungikorwo ati ni undu urekirirwo ritu muno choke njurie bunge itore mwathire bunge I think you've mutwikite ndopeti murarurungana mugacemania na guku Nyahuru tori muheirwo kanya mwikie muhuko nitucokete kumenyo just tumbukrat horo ni nda cianyu mukarurungana mwe andu 48 na hau mwenje kugayania nga mwena wa east na wa west mawira maria twamutumire muthie mugekeri ni mwikite taru ni muriti horo wa constitution ya IBC nigetha tumenye handu kataruirwo ri andu acio macaguraga mundu umwe king'ana makaheo basari ya 2,000 aria angi magitwaraga ciana ciao kinya ruraya magathome na mbeca citu ri maundu macio ni mwaririirie tucoke tugie atiri toigwa mucenene kona guku ati Gachagua arahagurwo tondu ni araria Gikuyu airwo wira wa iria akeo wira wa macani akeo wira wa kahua akeo horo wa kurwa na njohi ndenda kumuria atiriri ni Gen Z uri kurimaga kahua koguo wana thie central kwaririria horo wa kahua ri anjie kwaria na githungu kirito kana arie na githwari kiega nigetha muciari ucio urarima na kahua na hau igwe maundu mangi ni very petty tondu tutigutinda tukianania haha politics is about regions na koronda riria hoyagira muthuri ucio kura ri aragia Gikuyu omothe kai Gikuyu kiu giathuka no riria kina na tembea maracemania na guku makanjia kuga ngatawe acio no okay that is a national issue na ronge no macemania na guku rugongo makari uria taka mundu karia kere gutwira ati ciana citu ciuragwo thina aragia na kinyamu kiao na ku kinyamu kiu maragia na ku that was not an issue koguo horo wa kuhaka ndoro tukigayanayo kwa misingi ati munene witu ni araria na ikono nginya kiario ona tutakiria thungu ona ni ngioe githungu na tikio ndiraria tha ici koguo tumaundu petty let us focus on real issues and ngoda kuhoya rais ati ungiona ngui gikuga umenya mwene ari hakuhi torona agiro ne gukanagia Chiwawa twake gutiaga kwaria miario gakia gutuhuka miario na ningi hoya rume itu Agikuyu especially my MPs aria mucagurito Central Province kindly rugamirira Ūruu wanyu itu twi Mūndūrūme ni kurugama uguo ugathurania maundu ugathurania ndeto to hara warugama no ene turamu understand tondu interest iria mwena cio thini wa thirikari inyo some of you ni muhingeirio tiga kugate Gachagua ni arahorania Gikuyu gutire kindu ta kiu ithuĩ tũĩ Gikuyu Embu na Meru na kũrĩa kũngĩ gwĩtagwo Tharaka na nakũ twĩ kĩndũ kĩmwe tũkwenda niĩ nguga hakwa niĩ ndambire siasa hĩndĩ ya Kenyatta ndĩrathiĩ na Moi miaka 24 ndĩrathiĩ na Kibaki miaka 10 ndĩrathiĩ na Ūruu miaka 10 rĩu ndĩ na mũndũ gwĩtwo Ruto na Ruto kondo kwenda miaka yakwa ũtũkorwo twĩ nawe wa Ruto agĩthiĩ Ūruu na mũndũ gwĩtwo Gachagua agĩthiĩ muthi inyueri wonire kura citũ ni undu wa Gachagua thotho tia tungia kwahaira kura to twandaga muthie na hamwe na mundu gwitwo Ūruu ona ni uraikaite miaka 10 uragua ni guthie riu agikondo kwenda tukorwo tukirakara na tukwende uguo tukwendete tondu tukwendete ni uri urakaritie ngoro citũ ta nie ndina miaka 76 na ndaigane no mathare kugane no na tutikwanyanyuka kwoguo unyita Gachagua marute wira tondu na kwanja gutire maraturutira miaka yo eri miradi ria atigirwo ni Kenyatta gutire no mworeketie no gutindo githie na ndege ugithia akinya na ciana cia kura mutumia waku ni tui ona ru arathiete ena muruwe thaisi ena muruwe ruraya ndagacio tutioi na tukwaria ciothe na wenda twahe mathigi ni tukuoya kwoguo reka Gachagua arute wira hindi ria arutaga wira wa kunina njohi ciana citu ndiratigete njohi no ru mwambia kumwagagia kiambo gutigana horo wa njohi riu ninge ni nyinge muno na te ndethire ciana citu cikare wega
Kimani wa Ichungwah tarona ciana citu ria ciakua kai Kimani wa Ichungwah wari mundu kwoguo ndwari witu ni thina watumite utuike witu no ni wega ni turamumenya na Ngai ni mwega tondu aramuigirira metha iguru tondu miaka 5 no iguthira ukainuka ku Kimani wa Ichungwah reke inde mwira president witu twaguthaitha twakwira mutigane na Gachagua ithuĩ tũrĩ aciari ucio ni mwana witu ni kĩrimũ gitu ni toria Ngai athurire Musa akĩmwĩra ndiũĩ kwaria no gũtondoira akĩmwĩra nĩ ngũkũhe mũthĩgi nĩ wa kũhonokia rũrĩrĩ rwa Isiraeli Gachagua nĩ warahonokia kĩrĩma mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ Mwana. Mukatana le Kenya begwere. Omenye ne Ūruu akohonokirie. Wa utorete we mundu muthinikaniririe. Ndugacira twe niwe mwega tondu wi mweru. Nĩ tũruturetwo mũno nĩ inyuĩ na twĩna ruo na toguo waigua wahutia ngui mwene kuo nĩ tũkumũrũrũka tuoe mathĩgĩ akorwo Ruto ndũgũthondeka nyũmba yaku. We na Gachagua nĩ inyuĩ ndereba na tani boy mware mwarĩ muthie inyuĩ niĩ kura ciakwa iria twakũheire rĩ Gachagua agĩthiĩ unirudishie kura yangu muondoke pamoja. Tumechoka na kila siku na maneno yenyu. Kila saa mnatuambia hivi, kila saa mnatoa ahadi hivi mnafunika hii. Tumechoka na hii serikali ya maneno kila saa. Unatumia wabunge kila saa, unaenda unawashibisha, unawapatia pesa ndio wakuja waongee. Tumechoka na hiyo serikali.
The Global Leaders Network is called upon to protect the rights of vulnerable populations and present evidence that demonstrates a reduction in morbidity as well as in mortality. We therefore issue a call to action. We call on heads of states and government to seriously take women and children and adolescent health up in everything they do and join the Global Leaders Network. We also call on countries as well as on donors and commercial and developmental investors to carve out a specific funding agenda for women, children, and adolescent health. And we do, yes, also make a call on countries across the world to collaborate and to work together and cooperate to meet the financing targets for organizations that support women, children, and adolescents' health. These include the Global Financing Facility, UNICEF, and UNFPA. We call on stakeholders in the women, children, and adolescent health sector to target those countries with the highest maternal, neonatal, and adolescent mortality rates. And there are quite a number of these. And we also call on academics and civil society to continue to provide evidence and compelling arguments so that urgent political attention and action can be taken, including investment in the health that affects women, children, and adolescents. And we call for equity in manufacturing, in access to sexual and reproductive health products, and in quality health services for women, children, and adolescents.
The return on investment in adolescent health is estimated at between 5 and 10 US dollars spent, with school-based and community-targeted interventions being highly effective. In Kenya, therefore, we are deploying community health promoters to bring vital health information and services directly to communities as part of our commitment to a sustainable and equitable future by securing the health and well-being of all women, children, and adolescents. We have had a robust conversation in Kenya. We had 2 programs that were running. One, Linda Mama, that was an insurance program to make sure that every mother who is going to give birth, the government of Kenya pays for the prenatal and postnatal services. We have since, under our new universal healthcare program, expanded that to include the child up to 5 years, so that we can take care of that moment in time when children are most vulnerable, between ages 0 and 5. We have also expanded what initially we called Edu Afia, or Education Afia, where we had an insurance program for all our secondary school children. Under our new program, we have expanded that to include every child from primary school to age 18, so that every adolescent has a government paid for insurance program to take care of their health needs.